Before we get into this meditation today, I'd sure appreciate your support. Consider subscribing to my channel now and you'll never miss out. This session today is an open eye meditation in which we will practice the art of gazing steadily. This is called Trataka, which means gaze in Sanskrit. You will be using a candle flame, a fire flame, or you can stare at the video in which I provide. This technique is amazing for those that cannot relax their mind with normal breathing techniques. It requires focus. It strengthens your concentration, and it also deepens your intuition. There is a note of caution. If you are nearsighted, please wear your glasses so you do not strain your eyes. And also, if you are prone to hallucinations, please do not use this video. To begin, find a comfortable position, eyes open and soft, staring at the flame. We're going to take a deep breath in, feeling your belly expand. And as you exhale, keep your eyes softly focused on the candle as you breathe out. Continue following your breath in and out of your body as you softly gaze into the dancing flame. You're taking note of tension in your body. You're noticing your emotions. You're being guided to a state of peaceful relaxation. This is a gentle, passive meditation. One that fosters a mindful presence, dissolves distractions, fosters mental clarity, and awakens your intuition. Continue focusing on your breath as you bring it in your body. You feel your belly expand. And then as you exhale, your belly softens. You may even notice how the flame moves as you exhale. Imagine releasing any tension, any pain, discomfort, any worries, frustrations, anger, any negative emotions. You will breathe them out. focusing intently on the flame dancing before you. Softly gazing, you're not forcing your eyes. We do not want to strain our eyes. So if you need a moment to close your eyes, please do so. And then when you are ready, you open them back up again. And again, continue to focus. You're allowing any tension to flow away as you breathe out. You're just staring into the flame. And you do this while relaxing your vision, releasing your mind. We are releasing in our physical body, but you are also releasing in your emotional body. Anything negative, such as frustration, sadness or grief, anger, anything that does not bring you joy, peace, and happiness, I want you to breathe out. Still being mindful of your breath coming into your body as you breathe in and you breathe out. You feel your body drop deeper and deeper into peace and relaxation. And if your mind begins to wander, just bring it back to your breath and focusing on the flame. In our energetic bodies, our eyes are the windows to our soul. And in the physical body, our eyes are the most complex of all our organs. Nearly half the brain is dedicated to our vision. This is the connection between focusing the gaze and quieting the mind. Keep your awareness on the gentle flickers of the warm light. Observe the dancing light from the candle, and you can feel yourself relaxing as you watch the beautiful patterns made by the light of the candle. You notice your breath feels more even, quite natural, and you don't even have to think about breathing in and breathing out. It feels restorative. And you may even notice that your breaths are longer. They may feel deeper and more comfortable because you are relaxing. Watching the candle before you, you may notice the wax beginning to drip down and down. Imagine that this is your stress leaving your body, dripping down and down. As the candle continues to burn, you feel your tension easing. The relaxation is flowing through your body. The wax has become softer. You also feel that your body has become softer. You're noticing how the light flickers slightly in response to your breath as you exhale. Each time you breathe out, you are releasing anything from your body that is distancing you from peace, that's distancing you from your well-being of your mind and of your heart. You are present in this moment. And that is where healing begins. Any stresses you were holding on to are dripping away. Anytime you need to take a break and close your eyes, please feel free to do so. And when you are ready, you again open your eyes and focus intently on the flame. You are not forcing your eyes, you are gently gazing. Mindful of your breath, feeling more peaceful. You have reached a deeper state of relaxation for your mind, your body, and your spirit. As this session comes to a close, you're going to imagine blowing out the candle Or if you do have a candle, go ahead and extinguish. Your last and final breath, you will exhale and slowly bring your awareness back to the present. You are aware of where you are in this moment. You feel restored and peaceful. Slowly stretch your muscles. And if your eyes were closed, go ahead and open. And know that you accomplished arriving at a state of peace and well-being. And know that the more that you practice this exercise, it will become easier and easier.